we would stop playing from from line 21.
Okay.
All the way through page 74, line 15.
Okay. All right.
And
There's
then,
agreement that that's the part he was intending to cover. Okay.
and then we'll pick up with the 74,
Line
19, ending at 75, line 8, and then redact everything after that.
That's right. Okay.
Can I have a comfort break before we bring the jurors out?
Yeah. But unless y'all need to go, like, we don't need ever. I would like, let's make it as quick as possible. Okay. That doesn't mean everybody take a 20-minute break. That means 5 minutes. What you need, Mr. Chart?
Regarding the January 28, 2015
Yes.
transcript, I have identified the locations in the transcript,
Okay.
and I believe we're working on the same transcript for this statement, this
Okay.
interview, and as close to the timestamps as I could without playing it in court. For 3 spots that were taken out that my understanding would be kept in regarding him, Mr. Copeland talking about possible people who killed Donovan Thomas, and then also the more precise location of the conversation about Trevante Turner and Rich Homie Kwan and Mr. Copeland in the barbershop.
All right. So why don't we, your plan is to play this February 20th one. It'll take about an hour, maybe a little less. Then we'll take a break, and then y'all can either you can get with Miss Hilton at that time or with Miss Love in the meantime, but let Miss Hilton run to the restroom. All right. Like 5 minutes. Thank you. Go ahead, Miss Holden.
Your Honor, this time the state would like to tender State's Exhibit 378, Yankee Charlie, which is the February 20th, 2015 interview as a prior inconsistent statement.
All right, that's admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor.
X, right?
Yeah.
So I got your first name is your middle initial, right?
My middle initial is
Is it? But ain't that his first name? Your your son?
No, this is not.
I
Her
mean-
last name Copeland.
He's talking about your middle name. Is that her first name?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. DAISHAWN, Quarterman.
Mm-hmm.
What is the day? And then another day. I think when that happened, it happened yesterday, didn't it?
Yeah.
No, it didn't. February 15. Okay, I'm gonna read you this statement. Both of you. You're not, neither one of you in custody, but I just have to read it so you know your rights. That you're the right to remain silent, and you do not have to make any statement at all. That any statement that you make may be used against you in the court of law. That I have the right to counsel with an attorney before making any statement, and have said attorney present with me while I'm making a statement. That if I do not have enough money to employ an attorney, I have the right to have one appointed by the courts to represent me, to counsel with him before making any statement, and to have him present with me while I am making a statement. That if I request an attorney, no questions will be asked for me until an attorney is present to represent me. Based on this statement, both of y'all statements, are y'all willing to freely get a statement? Okay, I got it. Okay. And that I have read, and that you have not been threatened or promised to have been made to induce me to sign this waiver. So ain't nobody threatening you to sign this waiver, anything like that. You don't feel like I'm Investigator Curry, Investigator OK Curry. What you drop?
Oh, man, I'm trying to figure out how.
Ain't no phone over here. You need to plug your phone over here.
Yeah.
It don't be blowing up, is it? You sign right there where the X is at. Sign first. All right. Get on the road, get over here. On the 19th of February,
We're gonna pause at 1:41:59.
All right.
We're gonna resume at 1:49:37.
'Thank you.
why would they be still shooting at you?
This shit give me a headache, man. Cause guess what, man? Everybody asks the same question, man. This bad thing about it, man, I can't say. This bad thing about everything that's going on, man. I could have got hurt. She could have her other baby. And come back, question me, ask me what happened. I can't even say what it's about, man. I can't. I honestly, shit, man. I just know they say I got 97 days to live, man. If I ain't dead 97 days, shoot up the neighborhood. That's the only thing I really can suggest go by right now. All this because of flesh and land? Nah. Me and Kelly had beef. We didn't even have beef because it been plenty of time we won't see each other in the street and talk about it. Let it go. Shook this nigga hand. He walked this way, I walked this way. We let it go.
So you brought up Kale. You know about what happened to Kale, right?
Y'all heard it?
What you hear?
I heard he got shot.
You don't know who shot?
Because he got a problem with so many different people. But they only got their main attention on me. Whatever happened to one of them, I did it. I'm sitting right here with you. Anything happened, I did it. It don't matter. It never failed. All I've been doing, keeping the track of where I am. So if anything happened, I can always just have my story and proof. So you come out here and check. These folks tell you I never did it. You have my phone records, everything. Show you, man. I don't call, text, talk to nobody. None of that, man. I mean, you stunning, man.
But my thing about it is, I'm trying to figure out right now. They done shot up what? Your sister's house?
My sister, my brother, her mama, my other partner, man, about 5, 6 people's house.
So they shot up 5, 6 people's houses looking for you. And if they can't get you, they trying to get them.
No, see, I don't know what's going on because truth been told, man, I've been in the streets. I can take pictures where I be at. They didn't show up. It's only one time they showed up at one place I took a picture at. You feel me? They showed up when I left. So a guy had told me, like, well, a white truck, whatever color, a gold Tahoe truck pulled up, like 6-some niggas in there. Like, for real, bro. But I just act like it wasn't that, because I don't be wanting everybody thinking folk coming at me or this and that. But out of all the pictures I took, they showed up one time. I ride my 4-wheeler. I have a 4-wheeler. Every Sunday, I get with all the other guys that got one. I ride through the city. Wherever they go, I ride with them.
So you've been riding with them lately?
Yeah, you want to see these videos? I got videos on Instagram. I've been riding everywhere. I don't be out.
But I'm just saying, why they ain't taking you out with the rest of them?
Guess what? Listen, I just put up a video yesterday at the store, willingly. I'm not recording and leaving. I'm putting them up as I'm right there. I ride. I have no helmet. I never ride with no helmet.
Who do you think at this point? Do you recognize anybody in the car that tonight, this evening, that shot at you? Do you recognize anybody?
I couldn't even see that face.
You recognize who it is. I'm just waiting on you to be real with me about it.
They won't stop me.
So you saying the loyalty, not knowing who is out here shooting at your baby mama and your baby ain't gonna stop it? Because you can't sit here and tell me today who you recognize as the person who was shooting at you. If this stuff was loyalty, if they had, all the rules of the gangsters or being a gang member, all this other stuff, you don't truly mess with family. You mess with everything else around. You don't come to the house.
I'll die go ahead with my family. I didn't do nothing. I didn't kill nobody. I didn't shoot one of them. I haven't did nothing to them. I honestly haven't. They've been shooting up all these houses. I haven't retaliated not one time. I'm gonna tell you why I haven't. Because I feel like police out to get me. They can call me. Guess what? They can call me. I put all my pride to the side and put a lot of faith in her to handle this. And guess what? It's still going on.
You know why it's still going on? Because we only getting half of it. You know one of the dudes that sit in that car that shot at you, and you were sitting here today and won't tell. How do you think we're supposed to help you in all this stuff that's going on?
It's the whole gang got them. The random stuff.
And so I don't even understand. You was 30 feet.
No fair.
Huh?
I could and I was.
Who were you associated with? And then everything else that I rolled about with it, it's starting to come back to haunt. And where your cousin at now?
Which one?
Which one? Either one.
In jail.
Both of them? And you out here on the streets trying to survive. And now you at this point.
But you see, one of my cousins, he getting tortured though.
Huh?
He getting tortured.
What you mean he getting tortured?
He getting shot at, stabbed, all this, because I'm already going to enough by something I didn't do. And I know if I was to tell you what's going on, which is I know they're going to be on records and all this here, and we got to get a lot of get his skirt back. First thing you're going to do, send 2 places, to street and to prison. And float it all around, sit up level, and run all around prisons. With my name over there. I'm not going that way to no way. I'm not going to none of that. Niggas that shot at me, my girl and my baby. I almost shot my face off. As we were running, I'm not for sure, but I thought I heard one of the bullets hit that car seat or graze the car seat. I don't know.
Did you, when you got the car seat in there, did you see any bullets in it?
No, I really did look at it.
Stop at 158.40, Your Honor. And we're going to pick up at 159, line 159.10.
All right.
Please don't make it worse on me, man.
You're a better man than me.
No, I ain't. I don't look at myself better than nobody. I just know the trouble I'm putting myself in. Just know. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing, man. Can't go to no job. Can't do none of this. I know the street's gonna be a field. All the things going on right now, just waiting on you need to catch up with me and kill me.
So how do you feel that you know that they gonna catch up to you and kill you? How does that make you feel?
Just take care of my family right now while I can. Just what I've been doing. I can't run from it. It's a game. It's a whole game after me. Different niggas every day. It could be different niggas every day. It could be different niggas every 10 times a day.
What gang after you? What gang after you? Look at your phone. Huh? There's a phone right there? No.
I've never let anybody hurt my family.
So what gang is after you?
Blood gang.
That's a big broad gang.
I'm not scared no more. Not. First I was afraid.
So you're not, at this point, you're not scared of that.
It's gonna happen regardless. There's nowhere I can run to. It's nothing, man. It's nothing to stop it, man. Only thing to stop it is these police do their job, find out who killed that man. And whatever, man. And show these niggas it ain't me. It gets some on my foot. Shit crazy, man. My head hurt, man. I've been stressed way before this shit happened, man. Only thing about it, man, they slowed down on the show. I thought they started finding out what's going on.
And just pick right back up. For somebody you know, that you won't sit here and tell me who it is. But it's okay. It's okay.
It's not that, man. Just the consequence behind it, man.
Well,
The streets are worse.
if
The streets worse, man. It's worse. You got.
well, you saw the car when it hit the tree. I mean, you saw the car when it hit the house.
Yeah. I watched it jump out.
And you watched them shoot at you again. How many was in the car?
3.
3 people in the car. And you knew one of them. Or do you know more than one?
Huh?
You knew one of them?
We're stopping at 2:02:25, and we'll resume again at 2:02:51.
It ain't that. Truth is, man. I want to say it was that person because I'm not 100% sure. I know on the one person that knew where the house was. I don't want to get the wrong person locked up.
You're not going to get the wrong person locked up. We already know that person, whoever it is, they hurt or injured. So regardless of the situation, it's going to come to rest. I just want you to be able to sleep at night. Now, all the other stuff that we got going on, and you're probably not going to sleep because of the situation that's going on.
You didn't check to see that somebody comes to the house?
They checking. We'll wait eventually.
Okay, so, and you're gonna do January 28th next? All right, when we were reviewing January 28th, there was one, part of it that there was a foundation that was gonna need to be laid, and I don't know if y'all thought about whether that got laid or not.
Which,
About, it was around, I think, page of the transcript, page 42 through 43, about whether Mr. Copeland had a foundation for knowing about a beef between Bloody J and Mr. Williams, I think is what it was. Anybody?
That's correct.
Okay.
so we have that out. Your
Okay.
Honor?
Then we won't, then as long as y'all have it out. All right, great.
But Your Honor, since
Yeah.
Your Honor is talking about January 28th, we were just discussing the other portions of it.
Okay.
Line, page 20, page 82, line 21 through 86, line 14. Mr. Sharp gave me that timestamp as to who killed Nut. I believe that we addressed that earlier today, and the court said that we should go ahead and play it since it's something that we had initially planned not to play. But there were 3 other portions.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't say y'all should. I said you might
In
want
fairness.
to if it was gonna come in anyway.
You did.
Okay.
And there were 3 other portions, I think, that we had not addressed that the state had initially taken out.
Okay.
Page 87, line 20 to page 94, line 1, as well as, you can check behind me, page 140, line 24 through page 142, line 1, page 183, line 1 through page 186, line 1. These timestamps, these portions in the transcript were portions that Mr. Sharp and I discussed before the last break ended.
Okay.
And he said that with respect to the page 87, page 140 and page 183,
Right.
they dealt respectively with the witness and Tay, and the last 2 dealt with who killed Nut. And he indicated that that is a portion that the defense would also have played. I believe it's a portion that the state had initially not intended to play. Also, what we told the defense is that in the event that the court says it probably would be better if the state played these portions, particularly page 183, line 1 to 186, line 1, the state would also be seeking to play page 178, line 7 through page 182, line 24 as context. And I just wanted to bring that to the court's attention because on the very last break, there seemed to be a little bit of dissension as to what our current position was on all of those.
All right. So the court is not going to tell the state how to try its case. It is up to y'all. But if those are not objectionable, inadmissible, and you know that the defense intends to play them, it remains up to you whether you want to play them or not.
Okay, so based on what we discussed, I think that there will be an objection to the state playing page 178, line 7 through page 182, line 24.
All right.
And that's it.
Okay. You know, it may be that you tell me, and then I'll look at it while we're listening to this next thing.
Here's what's going on.
Okay.
The state doesn't want to play certain portions of this. They know we will play them.
Sure.
The state is conditioning on the last one, 183 line 1 to 186 line 1. The state is specifically trying to condition them playing it with us agreeing that they can play 178 line 7 to 182 line 24 as to provide context.
Okay.
We do not believe it provides any context, and that section was already kept out. Okay?
Okay.
So we don't believe it provides any context. So if we have to litigate it, we can litigate it. If the state wants to not play the portions they don't like, then we will certainly introduce them and talk about it ad nauseum when it's our turn to talk. We're just making this overly
Right.
complicated because they want to play this extra thing as showing context, and we don't believe it does. And if Your Honor believes it does, then I guess they could play it. But
And Your Honor, to be clear,
Yeah.
from 178 line 7 all the way through 186 line 1 was what was out. So with the defense asking for most of that to come in, we're just asking for the entire section to come in. So I want to be very clear about what is happening right now.
we keep saying it's out. It was out, but
It was out by agreement, right? Or had I mean, I
don't believe
can
so. I
flip
think it was
back and
out.
look.
Your Honor, it was a section that the state, when we first argued this back in
Lawyers! Who wants to pull another all-nighter?
this was still one that was a state's redaction that we didn't address because
So when they're
We
saying
didn't-
it was out, they're not saying that you ruled it out. They're saying that they just took it out. And so
Okay. Okay.
I think it's 6 and 1 and half a dozen other.
Well, it's not 6 of one, half dozen of another. That's two entirely different things. But let's get the jury in and continue with this February 20th statement. And I will try to take a look at what the part that y'all are talking about and my prior. So did I make a prior ruling on this portion at all?
No, Your Honor.
No. Okay. So I will look at it and see what my ruling would be. What is the objection to that part? What's the defense objection to 178, 1 through 182, 24, or whatever it is, 7?
now, I'm not looking at the transcript from our prior
Right.
discussions. I believe that you ruled that part out.
You do think that I ruled it out.
But
All
I'm
right,
not,
I'll have to go
I
back
will
and
not
look.
swear to it. But I think the reasoning is because, again, I haven't listened to the tape in court. But looking at the transcript, I think it makes reference to Shell Kell wanting to kill Jeffrey's sister is what's in the transcript. And I believe Mr. Steele objected to that. But
Okay.
I could be wrong.
All right.
I did object.
Okay.
Your Honor, can I just ask for clarity? What page are we on? My pages got messed up on the current transcript that we were given,
I have no idea.
Are you talking about February 21st or January 28th?
the one that's being played.
Right now, we are on page 51,
Thank you. Do you know what?
line 12.
Thanks.
All right. Let's get the jury in, continue with the February 20th. Keep fingers crossed that the sound doesn't go out again. All right, we don't know why, but the sound is back, so we're all just going to hope that it stays that way. Unbelievable. It's evident. We're just, I don't know.
You're good.
It's, let's give it a shot.
We probably had that. I didn't do what I supposed to did what I did. Because I know for a fact, when I ran around, the car wasn't moving no more. He stopped the car. Only way they moved when I shot that. The only way he crashed, because I shot at them. It's the only way. They were still shooting. Every time I shot, they stopped shooting. Every time I stopped shooting, I tried to get back in the house. I wasn't trying to hurt them, just trying to get us away. That's all I was trying to do. If I did hurt, I'm not mad about it.
You was offended.
fact is, they had a clear view of me. They seen me walk to the car with the baby.
So they knew you had your baby.
They saw the baby. You seen the baby mama too.
And they didn't care.
They did.
Anything else you want to talk to me about?
How do I survive this? How could I survive this? I can't go nowhere if I don't have any money. Let me tell you why. I'm broke now. Because Adrian called my phone when I was at friend's house door. Like, she wanted me to talk. She wanted me to come out and talk. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody right there. Yeah. Everybody did. I left went down here and talked to her. No. Seem like everybody look at me like I'm a snitch now. It's just like I can get no money. You know, I was just getting money just by doing nothing. It's like, hey man, I need to buy this right here. Just hanging around. Go to the mall, you pay for everything. Burger man, they all them. Yeah. Now, I came down here. They think I'm a snitch.
Why'd you come?
Why did I come?
Mm-hmm.
Cause my name came up in something I didn't do. And the only way to could come out and prove myself, same day it happened. You said, think I shot at these people, I shot their houses up, run tests on them. If I'm gonna do something, I'm not gonna be scared shot dead.
Stop there at 2:23:10, Your Honor. We're gonna resume play at 2:23:47.
Every second of the day, every 5 minutes we together, she put me out, guess what I do? I leave. And I think about what's going on. And I do whatever I do to talk and get that good with her. To be out with her and the baby. Until that time comes. Because for what I've been witnessing and been seeing lately, I've been saying God have been with me. But I don't know I got my mind like that because it ain't gonna stop. No matter what happens. It's not gonna be me. It's gonna be somebody I love. And before I let somebody I love get hurt, I really step in front of the gun. And tonight what happened, I honestly, God, tell the truth, man. I haven't been wanting no problem with nobody. It was hard to get me to stay in the house. I stay in the house a whole day until we get early. We get early, I go ride around. Get on Instagram, make funny jokes, just clear my mind. Can't think. I have a handful of problems. And I come back in the house, get ugly with her. Sleep in the living room, sleep on the floor, or whatever. But I be there, see my baby. I go to sleep, I wake up to her. But at the end of the day, man.
So you.
Stopping at 2:25:24. Resuming at 2/27/03.
I ain't shot that nigga. I ain't killed that nigga. I ain't had nothing to do with it. I had nothing to do with it. Didn't have a problem with it.
So at this
Didn't have
point,
nothing, nobody house getting shot up. Had nothing to do with none of that.
so basically, Young Thug washed his hands of you.
Yeah. Because I came and talked to the judge. And then folks in the street saying, I'm a snitch, I'm a snitch, I'm a snitch. Nobody don't want to hang around. I called them promise, they don't want to hang around. Like, what the hell, where the hell all this come from? What the hell is going on?
So basically, Young Thug done washed his hands of you. And Birdman. And now,
I seen him in the club. I gave him that. He gave me that. And I was talking to him. That nigga wouldn't even talk back to me. He's like, yo. Shit. You was like, what the hell you been at? You feel me? But what he did do, he called when you're happy. Like, everything, all is okay. You feel me? But
that's it. And then now, you being accused of shooting somebody or having somebody shot that you have nothing to do with. And now you got that retaliation coming on you.
now, you know what? You know what else? I heard somebody say, I'm the reason. I said I pulled Doug into this. They do what they say. I'm the reason. They bring Thug name up, saying Thug had something to do with it because of me. So folks going around saying I'm trying to mess up his career. You know what I'm saying? How the hell I mess up his career? I didn't have nothing to do with it. You feel me? I didn't. I don't know what the hell is going
So
on.
do you think somebody based on this situation hating on you for what you had?
I know for
Because you came from where they couldn't get to.
I know this kid, this him. For I'm 100% sure. You still gonna. The nigga, when Kill got shot, crazy thing about it, I was on Instagram the whole time making videos. It's called the other video, and we just ate people and talk. I was there the whole time, and when we got done playing, they called like when Kill got shot. Okay, why y'all telling me? Well, you know they said you did. I'm like, man, look, man, my Instagram page tell it all, man. Like, yeah, we seen you on there. But after he got shot, like 2 days ago, they came back and said somebody else did. Say, Kill don't know who to trust. But they say he in jail. But he don't want to talk to the girl no more. Because he thinks she had something to do with it, or whatever. So, anywhere it goes, man, they going to always have a way to put me in everything.
Who's scared what we talking?
The girl trees. They're going to have a way to put me in everything. Who got something to do with it? Who got something to do with it? Who got something to do with it?
So then,
Stopping at 2:33:50. And resuming at 2:50:25.
No matter where it go, I'm going to lose anyway. I tell him, take it, I'm going to go to jail. Man, and he go to jail. When he go to jail, boom. He don't tell everybody I told him.
You got them numbers. I got the big one.
You know what I'm saying? The shit on the, man, this shit lame, man.
Stopping at 251.39. And I believe that's the conclusion of this video.
All right, do y'all want to just approach the bench about the other issue? I did not excuse anybody. Where did two defendants go? And why? We have had restroom break after restroom break after restroom break. They're going to have to hold it like the rest of us. I did not take a recess. I mean, I realize it might be a little confusing because we're up here seemingly with no idea what we're doing. So, you know, it might look like we're on a recess, but it's not y'all's fault. All right, I think we've got everybody back.
So,
Okay. Good.
so part of the confusion is that in the state's redaction, they redacted everything the same color, meaning the things that Your Honor kept out, and then they did their own redactions that Your Honor didn't keep out, and it's all the same color, which has made the review a little bit difficult. So I've had to make sure everything is redacted as ordered, but also check behind the redactions to make sure they were ordered. So that's all I'm asking, is that these portions be played. And I understand the state, ultimately, Your Honor, I think, has discretion to control the way that the courtroom operates. And certainly the state has some say in how they present their case. But based on the amount of time we're playing these statements, it doesn't make a lot of sense for us to have to play little segments to make it complete.
Yeah, I mean, I think everybody understands that. That's not an evidentiary ruling. That is, the state is either going to make a call if there is something that y'all intend to play that is not evidentially objectionable. They can decide it makes more sense to just play it all at once. So I think the only thing we have an issue with, it's not those first three groupings, right? It's the y'all would like to play and y'all intend to play if they don't. 183 line 1 through 186 line 7, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so they can either play that or not play that. But their argument is if they do play that, they also believe that 178 line 7 through 182 line 24 also needs to come in essentially like for completeness. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. And if there are portions, my understanding at the bench is that the main issue is page 178, line 22 through 24. If that is the sole issue, then we will redact that. If there's other issues, then we will want to know that.
I think there's other issues.
Well, this is my concern. That was out. So I can't sit here right now without playing it. And it's probably only 90
Then
seconds
let's
long.
play it.
Right, because I think Mr. Steele might actually have an objection to it, and I don't want to speak for him.
Let's play it.
You want me to play the whole 178?
Yeah, just
The whole thing?
that'll be fine.
And we're starting at 8:08:05.
I think that's real. He nice.
Who is?
The one who came to Fulton house. Who nice? He went in there, he looked where she laid in. And she said that was the most spot he shot up. And then was yeah. Kara told Rich on the corner, called her daughter sister. And like trick her. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna kill her. You know, just try to get out from where she was. She can come out and then, like Rich on the corner, thought he had a show. Mm-hmm. And I was there. And Rich on the corner came, but Rich on the corner tried to play both sides. Mm-hmm. So he like this kind of like. Yeah, so he just like, bro, man, I don't care how serious it is, bro. Kid try to kill anybody, bro. He told me to call Max and tell her, trick her down here so he can kill her. Just to get back into it. Yeah, he said like he want to kill somebody that way gonna hurt. Yeah, do what he's saying. Rich on the corner, you born right as hell. Lucci ain't gonna pay his bond. They said he mad at Lucci because Lucci ain't pay his bond. Why? Why Lucci ain't pay his bond? But what don't make sense? Let's say, okay, where did we get right?
I'm sorry. You're still on.
Said that Kel was called over there to the house after he got shot up. So Lucci Mama house? Yeah. We heard. Lucci Mama house got shot up. Kel pulled up with the guns. They would come to the tree. Kel pulled up with the guns in the car. And police walked up, searched the car, found the guns, locked them up. But why was he there? Who brought him there? I don't know. Lucci Mama house. Kel, come. Who brought him to Lucci Mama house? Like, do we just hang out in the driveway? That's probably, you know. So if that's the case, and then he got locked up, why did Lucci want to pay his bond? You know what I'm saying? And the car basically called you and said, yo, my house, that's how my town. Check out. And then the red Camaro Lucci got, the same car they ran around, they shot my girl Mama house up. They Lucci car. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't get it. You know what I'm saying? They got my name on so much stuff. Like, people, they come and tell us, listen, then they start talking about it's me. You know what I'm saying? Like, my girl, she gets a lot of information from her friends. She had a lot of friends, so they get around. Lucci and them was talking in the studio, and there was a girl in there, Miss one of them, and she was my girlfriend. And she said that they know I didn't do that, nothing. You know what I'm saying? They was all like Kara and K robbed somebody. You know what I'm saying?
Kara and who?
K.
Who's K?
I sent you a picture there to them. I think I sent it over to each other. They had chopper in the picture.
Oh, yeah. And the gym was in the car.
Yeah, them two robbed somebody, and they supposed to came back. This was they talking about the studio. You know what I'm saying? They just put my name on it and covered it up. Make it seem like they ain't got beef in the streets, whatever. Yeah. So, and then they like, she was like, they know what they ain't doing. You know what I'm saying? But they gonna keep playing on him. And she was like, K, when the nigga got killed, K first one called everybody like, we killed Nut. Tell mom now what it is. He the first one started my name. And they like, Kel went along with it. So they had just robbed somebody, then they did, like Nut died, then they started. That same day? I don't know when. They just robbed somebody. And niggas supposed to be coming back for them. You know what I'm saying? Like, Kel robbed Fly. He robbed one of them. Mm-hmm. Like,
Stop at 11:50, Your Honor.
Spoken to my colleagues, and I believe I'm authorized to say that we're fine with all of that coming in.
Okay.
Okay.
I just didn't want to speak for everyone.
Understood. So you are also all right with all of that coming in?
I am.
Okay. Then I think we're ready to have the jury out and play the next statement. Let's get Mr. Copeland.
So I'm playing these. So this is the notice.
Make sure I'm muted to 8614.
I don't have the time.
I'll get it for you. Okay. 8614. That's 724.
I'm playing. I'm literally
Mr. Sharp, can we get your time stamps on the ones that we had?
The speaker one, right?
Oh, he got one.
The speaker one. He does. Okay. It's already on 0. Why don't I just finish? So then, yes, join the computer audio.
Right, this time the state would like to tender State's Exhibit 378, Yankee Bravo, into evidence as a prior inconsistent statement. Excuse me, January 28th, 2015.
That's admitted.
We're gonna start playing at 6:47.
I know. What you were doing out though?
We was at the pool, not the pool, but the hotel part downtown.
For the accused?
And I think the girl was there, was in the house, so we was there.
What girl?
It was a girl there. It was one of my partner girlfriends.
What her?
Bush.
Who?
Busha.
Busha. She played both sides?
I ain't know how to do this show.
But somehow they down on it.
She went to the bathroom, talked on the phone, and came back out.
After this though, who you think she messed with over there? You said it was Greedy over there shooting.
Going with another guy, she put a post like in family. You know what I'm saying? But she called me cousin too.
So she in the middle of that.
She don't need that folks. She don't call kids my little folks. So when we let her, we no car behind her the whole way. We went a long way around this spillway, no car behind her. But as soon as we get on the spillway, we ran. They still with no car behind her.
But you didn't necessarily see who was shooting. You just figured that was RICO.
Okay, I'm telling y'all, it was two cars. It was my car and your boo car. Big boo clean. Yeah. He from behind me. But when we had the radio, I heard something. I'm like, I'm tripping. And then next thing you know, I heard it again. And he hit the car, so we ducked out. Then the car started working. I'm trying to hit the gas, and the car started working.
What? The trouble?
Yeah. So when I lift up, so the deal didn't come with me. He's like, yo, where I go? So when I look up, I see Booth. He like, yo. But I don't think he telling me to go. I'm like, the car work. Right. And then smoke shot come. So we ducked it down, but he's sitting there, there's behind us. Another car behind. Yeah, there were two cars. I seen the first car. When I looked up, it was a gray Impala with 10 windows. I seen it short. So what the hell? No, it was another car. I see who them. They come fly there. So when they come fly there, they like, hey, all those hands at one, right? Then smoke shot one. They shot his car too. But he called for it. He didn't call for it. He went straight in. Got his car fixed. Right. You know what I'm saying? But he said Bush didn't go in his car.
What I want to know is, start back from the beginning. What is this fucking beef between you and Kel? I don't care how far you got to go back.
I'm going all the way back to the first day. They're crucial.
How long ago was this?
I don't know.
Last year?
Every Monday we went to crucial. Every Monday. Yeah, but we never fought. We never fought that one time. It just always, they'll throw the money on there, we'll throw it back on it. That's how it was. They throw the money. Yeah, but it started, he said that Boo a rat. That's how it started. Said Boo snitched some more.
Right.
And we hang around.
So you kind of inherited Boo's beef or whatever. How do you feel about Boo? Well, I'm saying that's how you feel about Boo, that Boo snitched, so you hanging around him.
That's what they said first.
Right.
So I'm like, what Boo got to do with that? Right. You know what I'm saying? So he like, yeah, you right. I went over there to them like, what's up? What's the beef about?
Yeah.
I understand, like, I'm talking to guys knew them.
Right.
So he's like, yeah, nigga, Boo, right? This and that. Like, man, they ain't got that to do with that. You don't got to put your kiss on that.
Right.
So he was like, next thing you know, the next week come, he do it again.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, what's up, bro?
Like, still disrespecting, like, doing all that in the club.
Yeah, but he got most of his attention on me. Right. So everybody in the club, like, they got a problem. Right. So I approached him again. So he like he bursting out. Yeah. So I'm like, man, come on, man, fuck with me. But you don't say that to him. Right. So I started out out to the club. So the next weekend, I get a lot of money. I bring it up there. I pull the money out. Like, yeah, y'all ain't got no money, this and that. Right. So they try to cut their money up. So we start throwing money up. Throw more money than them. Yeah. All the girls come over there, we at. So, you know, I get upstairs, get in the crowd, you know, pass some money. I don't know around. I'm passing my pass, put 20 in and every time we get in upstairs there. But he don't got the whole time like they looking at. Yeah. So I'm looking outside there. I got videos of my phone and everything. Yeah. From us being in the club, flashing away. So he like, so we come up. They stand at the car. We got top out, got time to red and screaming. They looking at us. So we come out of the club, we laugh. Yeah. So we looking at them. You know what I'm saying? So we got that serious, y'all. It never got that serious until I'm just doing that. I'm not even scared of the the cat-ass camera. Kel never was up there. So Kel pulled up, they pulled up in front of my car. It was me, Lil D, my girl, and her friend. Which Lil D? Mickey out or the other? So, and my girl and her friend, my baby mama and her friend. All four of us in the car. I'm gonna be honest. Kel pulled up. So he like, yo, Kel. So I look. But he was looking in the car, but I don't think he could see that was it. They went around the car. So when they fought, I jumped in the car. My ATL Homicide. Right. So he looked. I'm like, bro, he ain't never like that Homicide. Yeah. So the other girl came right to the car. So I'm like, bro, he ain't never like that Homicide, bro. So Kel like, look, my man, come on at me, bro. I walked to the front of the car. Right. So he walked up. Me and him started talking. We talking in front of this camera. Yeah. So I know his little partner standing around. They think no, they came up. They started showing my car. They talking to D. Right. So we actually seem like that having a conversation. Like D got jumped on in the club by NBC. That's when he got shot? Yeah. Okay. D told them, y'all ain't help. He said, cuz, you wanna hang with us, you hang with them. They supposed to help you. D told Kel them? Yeah. Cause D and Kel them supposed to be the same group. Right. So D told them that, so they like, but me and Kel was like talking, I'm like, bro, no matter what we did in the club, bro, y'all ain't got no right to come shoot at us. They came and shot at us in the Gamma House on Lakewood. Right. They came and shot at us. We come outside, throw our eyes at the top. They in the bush, they just started shooting. But we just got fun with NEC. Right. So we think NEC did. Right. So like, damn, right here, they didn't come shoot at us. But it wasn't even NEC. It wasn't never NEC. So we went back to the club. So the NEC nigga get tripped. I go up with them. So I'm like, damn, bro, what's up, bro? So nigga like, bro, who shot at it? Who shot at y'all? Tell me who shot at y'all. I'm like, no. Like, nah, bro. Like, no, I'm not shot at it. Yeah. So he's like, like, you tripped. I told y'all they wasn't them, bro. They were kidding, and they trying to make it seem like it was them. Right. So Buddha like, so get what? I told Kid, all right, y'all shot at it, bro. We ain't never came shot at y'all next district, y'all that one time. They be like, yeah, we tripped. But they messed up, bro. You know what I'm saying? You ain't had to go there for. Right. So he's like, yeah, so next thing you know, long story short, we get in talk. Me and Kel shake hands. Like, we fuck with, bro. Right. Even though we don't know where his back is over, we laugh. Right. He like, I ain't calm through it. I FaceTime through it. So I tell Thor, it's fine. He fuck with. So Thor like, yeah. I like, yeah, it's over. But Kel got his phone. And Thor started talking to me like, this ain't over with until you pay for my window. You shot my window. That's what Kel said? No, they were Thor told Kel. He like, nigga, go my window. Yeah, he shot Thor cover. So Thor like, nigga, I don't care about none of that. What y'all got going on? You still shot at me. Just pay for my window. If you don't pay for my window, hey man, ain't letting that go. Right. So I let it Kel like, that was 20 yards. It was 20 yards now. You can ask him, he'll tell you I told him that. Yeah. So Kel like, man, he like, calm it. So Kel said, he like, calm it. So I hang up the phone. So me and Kel started talking. Like, man, bro, it's a whole bit, bro. Just pay for the window you do. I pay for a window. Hey, that nigga that time. Fuck, man, that nigga. But he shot his window. I said, but he shot the window, bro. He like, I'm like, but look, man, like I said, bro, you got a problem, you got a problem too. You don't have a problem. Right, it's over with. You know what I'm saying? We shook hands, we were out. When we leave, they ride on my tail. So I'm like, I called my like, man, these niggas, because we did my girl. Right. I called, man, these niggas fight me, but I said, they didn't even shoot a cover. Right. So they like, turn up, see what they do. So I went up, I turned up, went down the back street. So when I turned up, they kept straight. I like, dang, they kept going. So so that was on Sunday. Monday came, we went cruising. Right. Daytime, we dealt each other up. Him, big boy, I'm like, they playing. Now everybody like they playing. But him and Monton get hard. Monton like, nigga, I'm here, nigga. You know what I'm saying? This ain't about no vote. He like, man, he mad because that was up my D. He's like, man, I'm here, bro. Then Monton tell me I'm here, bro. Right. So he like, hey, boo. Man, I'm just saying, man, who got to do that, bro? That's good. Yeah, everybody jump. Then he look to see me. I ain't going there. I stand over here. Yeah. You got 12 on. He see it all on the camera. He see it ain't me. So Kel like, what's up? wasn't in the club. We were in the club that way. Man, everybody chill. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't no attention. Come out the club, everybody be on with. So no, nothing happened there. Nothing happened. No throwing no money on each other, none of that. No. We throw us money like normal, and they throw us on. I had a third head show, so he took me to the show with him. That was on a Miss Cruise show. He third head show. And I think we went. It had to be in Miami because it was on Sunday. So we flew to Miami on the plane. While we in Miami, they called it like, yeah, they just in the club putting on this and that. They ain't getting to it again. I came back. When I came back, it was a net money came. We was going back to cruise. So this time it third one. So it me third about 4, 5 other people. Right. We come in the club. The beat was over. We come in the club. Tell them that. Yeah. Tell them now. They deep. All of them there. But then I know third coming. Right. So we came to, so third gave me some money flex. Like, hit the money. I'm gonna stay. I'm flexing the money. Right. So I see everybody in there. I'm like, God, I get off the stage. I pull the money out. I just showed a whole bunch of hundreds, whole bunch of 20. I'm spraying the money out. Yeah. All the girls came around. It was some men on there. Yeah.